Welcome to Season 2, everybody. We're back. Took a little bit of a break here towards the end of Season 1. The work on the Typhoon, the monocoque section that was really the primary structural progress area that we were working on, is a little bit slow right now. There's only a couple pieces that I need to make for it, and it's slowed down because the Merlin has really taken precedent in the shop here. As you can see behind me, the Merlin itself is mounted on the trailer. Rob's been plucking away. You'll see updates on that stuff coming soon. But we have to start looking at the controls that are going to go onto it. So the first thing is this. This is just a control box, and Rob actually donated this to the project. It's a sealed, weatherproof aluminum box that's going to be used as our control panel on the Merlin, and it'll be mounted behind the engine, containing all the instrumentation and controls to operate the engine. In addition to the instrumentation that's going to be on this case, we need to mount a throttle quadrant to it, and we're very fortunate that one of our sponsors, Sealand Aviation up in Campbell River, donated a Wilga throttle quadrant to us. And this will work excellent for our purposes, but it does need some slight modification, and that's what I'm going to do today. The Wilga throttle quadrant has an extra lever or two on it, so the first thing that I needed to do was disassemble the whole thing. Once it was disassembled, I had to look at ways to basically remove the extra levels, shorten it, and make sure that it was all shimmed up nicely and operated smoothly. To do this, the 4 standoffs that hold the side plates together needed to be machined down, and the center pivot tube, as well as the main bolt that holds the whole assembly together, all needed to be shortened. With the throttle quadrant assembled and the handle installed, I can now look at building a bracket that'll attach the quadrant to the control box. The bracket's needed because the control box lid closes over top of the outside of the box. And I want to make sure that the lid clears the bracket and the throttle, as well as that there's enough clearance for your hand and fingers around the throttle without any kind of interference from the control box itself. I heard a courier come by, I've got the door open, and I'm expecting a package today, so I'm pretty excited about it. I'm going to go grab it and open it up. So here it is. We've gone with a spun aluminum tank for our coolant, which will be mounted up on top of the engine, but I figured since I was filming and it showed up, I'll give you guys a glimpse of what the plan is for there. The details will have to wait for another episode, but at least we'll get to get our eyeballs on this. That's all I'm looking for. That must just be the mounting straps. That is a piece of cardboard. This appears to be a spun aluminum tank with copious amounts of protection. So I'll use my sharp knife and drag it along the tank to open it up. Oh, look at that! It's got the same last name as me. Anyway, see what we got here. So this is a pretty nice tank. I'm impressed with it. It's what we were looking for. It looks like it's going to fit just right, and I'll put it to the side now and get back to work on the throttle. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And remember, if you're not watching this on our paid subscription channel, and you're able to, it's only a few dollars a month, and you'll get early ad-free access to all of the content. There's also forums, product announcements, shop updates that you'll see nowhere else, and discounts on things like the Napier Sabre data plates. Even better, every penny of profit goes directly towards the airworthy rebuild of Hawker Typhoon JP843. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Cheers.